I'm super excited. I have been waiting for this like for a long time. My PC has come to the end of its shelf life, and I was really holding out because I know I needed a new computer, but just had to wait for it. But the timing is right now, and I am so excited to unbox my brand new PC. Now technically it is a gaming PC, but because I use a lot of rendering, video editing, AutoCAD, 3D Max, type of software, I wanted to make sure that I had a system that can do all of that without any problems. So I do tend to lean more towards gaming PCs just because they tend to have everything sort of already built in, the graphics and everything else that you might need. So all of that is in my new set. So are you guys ready to see what I've got? I am. So I got this PC from cyberpowerpc.com and it just came today, and I'm ready. I'm just so ready to unbox. So let's start off with a small box and kind of build some suspense for this big guy right here, right? There's a fan here. Look a little lopsided. So out the gate, one of the feet are missing. And that's why it's lopsided. Yeah, okay, one of the feet came broken. Cyber power. Inside, we've got our cooler master. We've got some RGB fans, 2 fans at the top, 3 fans in the front. So the case that I actually went with was an Activia Genesis Black mid tower. If this is the mid tower, I'm scared to see the full size tower. I haven't done a room tour video yet, but I have a little space on the corner of my desk. I wanted just to have like a large surface area just to work on, and I really wanted to keep as much stuff off the floor as possible. So I went with this tower with the clear glass side panel so that if it's gonna sit on my desk, it would at least be like a beautiful fixture on my desk. You know, back in the day we would have our PC hidden, tucked away under the desk, but I kind of wanted to get some RGB lighting, a clear glass panel to, make it an accessory that's gonna be a part of my decor, since it's gonna be something that's going to be a part of my decor. So it's all set up and running. Right now we're a little bit cramped in this area because my old PC is here, just for as long as it takes me to sort of transfer over my files and my programs and stuff. But so excited. My precious.